The Yakry Y27-N wireless backup camera features a unique dual antenna design and advanced chip, ensuring a stable signal and high refresh rate even over long distances. Installation is a breeze with the included Furrion bracket and pigtail wire, allowing most users to set up the camera system in just 30 minutes. The system's HD 1080p monitor supports up to 4 cameras, providing a wide viewing angle and clear images enhanced by 8 infrared lights. With its multifunctional recording system, this backup camera doubles as a dash cam, and its IP69K waterproof rating guarantees reliable performance in any weather conditions. The versatile camera system can be used for both reversing and constant rear view, making it ideal for a variety of vehicles including RVs, trucks, and trailers. Yakry provides exceptional customer service and technical support, along with a 3-year warranty and comprehensive professional instructions for easy setup and use.